1. Ruto is a political dealer while Raila is a political leader. 2. Ruto is a missionary leader while Raila is a visionary leader. Ruto has a mission to pilfer, to misappropriate, to expropriate, and to steal money meant for Kenyans. Therefore, Ruto is cantankerous, Ruto is belligerent, Ruto is obnoxious, and Ruto is causing consternation, discomposure, and discomfiture of spirits. Ruto has a mission to kill the education of this nation by stealing our money. While Baba is a visionary leader, Baba has a vision to give us free secondary education. Baba has a vision to give us free university education. Baba has a vision to give us free health care. La mwisho kabisa, mliona leo kwa gazeti Ruto akisema ya kwamba karibu apige Uhuru slap. Si ni kweli? Niwaulize, kama alikuwa anataka kupiga Uhuru slap, kama Baba angekuwa katika hii handshake, si angepiga